Hello everybody, welcome to this video on how to install Python. So you just go to python.org or type Python, go to welcome to python.org, and from there you just click download. It will take you to download Python 3.9.1. So I've already downloaded it. You're just going to go straight to the installation. You're going to click just minimize everything. So from here, I'm gonna click here, add Python to path. Click next. So from the standby ID and click install for users. Click here install. Yes. Gonna take a little while, depending on your internet speed. So Python storage setup was successfully. So click next. So for us to test, let's go to our tap Python dash. You can see on the Python version unknown. Let's type so we have the Python 3.1 shown as Python has already been installed. So that's how you install Python, and let us see if we can check. We already have our Python IDE. So check here to see how we can run some code Python IDE. So we can just write here print hello world. Print hello world. You see, that is it. So guys, that is how you install Python. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later.